This is a backpack pump. It's a firefighter tool, a simple firefighter tool, consisting of a sack that can take up to 20 liters of water and a pump. Through this, water can be thrown at considerable distances. This is one version of the backpack pump which has flexible sides, but there are also other ones in the market with metal or plastic rigid sides. In any case, it is a useful tool for firefighters, but it can also be a useful tool for the people who want to protect their home in case of fire. The first step for using the backpack sprayer or backpack pump is to fill it with water. This is done from this hole, where after removing the lid, which is held by a little chain to avoid losing it, then we use any type of water source like a hose like this, or a tap, or a stream, or a lake, whatever can give us water. Actually, in some cases, for that case of filling, there is a little net here to catch any leaves or other dirt that could create problems. And then we start filling with approximately 20 liters of water, like this. We can fill it up to 20 liters or less if we don't have the strength to carry that much water. But usually 20 liters is something that people can carry, at least a full-grown man can carry. So we fill it and then we are ready to use it. Once we are done, we close the lid like this, and we are ready to put it on our back and go. Let's see how the backpack pump works. First of all, when we want to put down the flame, to reduce the flame length, we don't approach the fuel very much, but we use concentrated throw like this. Always trying to focus on the fuel, not on the flame, in order to cool the fuel. This gives us 8 to 10 meters or even 12 meters distance, depending on the model, where we can reach the fire, when we can reach the flame. Once we cool the shrub that is burning, or the grass, or whatever else is burning, then we can approach, and then we use not the concentrated throw, but we use spray, because spray is much more effective. And we can do the spray on this particular device like this, but we can also put our finger in front and do a spray like this on the fuel, in order to cool completely the fuel. In the beginning, we would not be able to approach. Once we have put down the flame, then we use the spray, and those 20 liters on our backpack pump become extremely effective. And this is the idea of how this simple device can be extremely useful, both for the firefighter and also for the homeowner who has a home in the wild and urban interface, that is a home close to vegetation, and then being in risk of having a fire come to his home, or a fire starting from his plot of land to go out. In that case, such a tool can be very useful to prevent a fire from growing, or to save a house after the passage of a fire front, in order to put out anything that has started on fire, like tents, like roof, like chairs, or whatever is in the surrounding of the house. In conclusion, the backpack sprayer or backpack pump is a very useful tool for firefighters and for homeowners. Provided it is used correctly, as demonstrated here, we can have maximum effectiveness with 20 liters of water. It is an indispensable tool for anybody who has needs of this type of firefighting, and it should be a tool in the toolbox of any homeowner who has a house close to vegetation.